Hello guys. In this video I'll show you how to make YouTube thumbnail in Adobe Photoshop. First take your photo with some reaction. Reaction on thumbnails are very effective. Then open your image in Photoshop, make a copy of it with clicking on Ctrl+J. It's optional, but is good to have for backup. Then select Quick Selection tool and then click Select Subject. It will select your picture only, but it needs a little help. Now choose Brush tool by clicking on B. You can control its size by clicking brackets. Now click this vector mask icon, then turn off background image to see your mask. Now we need to reset your swatches. Click D on keyboard, and your foreground and background colors will be black and white. You can switch them by clicking X on keyboard. For about mask you need to know that white color shows subject and black hides. It's so simple. Now start drawing your selection. Once you happy with your selection, click right button on mouse on this mask layer, then click Apply Layer Mask. Now we need our background picture for thumbnail with size 1920 by 1080. Then click your selection and drag it to your background image. Make it little smaller by clicking Ctrl+T and then click check mark. Now choose background layer, and let's make it more attractive by adding some gradient on it. Click G on keyboard and choose any gradient you like, then drag the line any way you like. Click on layer 1 and then little FX icon down there, and here choose stroke. Play a little with these slides and then click OK. Now let's make our gradient more interesting by adding some text and objects. Click T and then write down something about your video with max 5 words. Make it bigger. Now let's change color of our text. Click text layer then FX icon and choose color overlay. Pick any color you like and click OK. Then click FX icon again and choose bevel and emboss. Here you have to play with slides again and click OK. Now add some objects. First I'll add this triangle. Click Ctrl+T and drag from corner to rotate it. Now let's mask out some parts like before with masking. Now select layer 2 and text layer by clicking Ctrl+ left mouse button on them, then right click and choose rasterize type. Then right click again and merge layers. Now these two layers become one. Now put layer 2 under layer 1 by clicking and dragging left mouse button. Now choose this custom shape tool and add some object by clicking here. Then drag it anywhere you like. Now rasterize it and make a copy of it. Now click on shape 1 with Ctrl+ left mouse button. Click Alt+ backspace. Then Ctrl+D and it will become black. Merge these two shape layers together. Then copy this layer, transform a little and you got it. You have good looking thumbnail for your video. That was all for this video. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked this video. Hit like, comment down below and subscribe to my channel. Also click little bell so you will be notified first when I upload new video. Good luck to you guys and peace.